Hello y'all, my name's Mike, and today we're making a dish called Braised ginger chicken. This is like one of the dishes that my grandma used to make when I was younger, so I'm going to show y'all how she makes it. Now here are the ingredients. On the side here, I prepared minced garlic, diced onions, and sliced ginger that's already been peeled. What I have right here is Thai chili peppers, and this gives a little more heat to the dish, and I know it's really small, but it really packs a punch, so please be cautious whenever y'all use this. And of course, we're gonna have our greens right, so our vegetable choice is gonna be broccoli. Fun fact, broccoli contains vitamin C that is important for your immune function. So what I did first, I cut up my boneless chicken thigh and I put it into a bowl to create a mixture. Y'all can use like any type of chicken, like the drumsticks or the bone-in chicken thigh or the chicken breast, but I like using boneless chicken thigh because it's easier to work with, like there's no bones, and it has more flavor compared to the chicken breast. After you add in your aromatics, add in salt, pepper, oil, and let her marinate for at least 30 minutes. Look how beautiful this is. I remember my grandma, she used to make this a lot when I was younger, and for me, it was such a comforting meal. So whenever I make this dish, it really brings back memories. After 30 minutes, let's begin cooking. So turn on the stove and add in sugar. Reducing the sugar into a caramel and then adding the protein in is optional. I just really like doing this method because it really gives a good color to my chicken. Like for example, as you look at this chicken, it has like the browning of it outside like the layer of the chicken, and I just really like that texture and color. After adding your ginger, adding your fish sauce and dark soy sauce into the pot. And the dark soy sauce is really important. It really does give that rich brown color that y'all need. To get a little more heat and a little more flavor to this dish, I add in Thai chili peppers, and I really love spicy, so add a lot of peppers into this batch. Top it off with pepper flakes and green onions, and for presentation wise, I add into a small clay pot. And then I turn on the stove and let it heat up for about a couple minutes. I serve this with rice, and I also serve this with broccoli that has been blanched for about a couple minutes. Here are the servings, and by using MyFitnessPal, here are the nutrition facts. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the bottom. And let me know what kind of foods that y'all grew up with. So thank y'all. Have a great day.